Hello everybody, welcome back to one of my music theory lessons. Today for you we have rhythm. It's going to be a little beginner's lesson into rhythm. So let's look at that. The first thing we have in rhythm is the beat. The beat is the steady pulse throughout the music. Then we have the tempo, which is the speed of the beat. The rhythm is a pattern of long and short notes organized around the beat. So we're going to start with a whole note. We have whole note, and they subdivide into two half notes. Two halves make a whole. Pretty simple. Then we have quarter notes. So two quarter notes are one half note, and four quarter notes equal one whole note. And when we're writing this, all of these notes have a flag besides the whole note. The half note has a flag, and then the quarter note is filled in. The circle is filled in with a flag. And then you have, after a quarter note, you have 2/8 notes are one quarter note, or 4/8 notes are one half note. On the 8th note's flag, you give it a little cap, whoop, like that, little like a backward tap almost. And every one after that, you add another line on the flag. But after 8th notes, we have 16th notes, which are 2 16th notes make an 8th, and then so on and so forth. You have 32nd notes. If you see here, we have the little pyramid, the pyramid of rhythm. So now we have time signatures. So this top number tells you how many beats there are going to be in a measure. Bottom number tells you what type of note receives the beat. We have a 4 here. That means it's going to be a quarter note. If we had an 8, it would be an 8th note. We had a 1, it would be a whole note, one whole note. So this number can be any number, within reason. And this is going to tell you what type of beats. You usually see a 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Sometimes you'll see 64. So right here on the staff, we have 4 times. So if you look here, we have a one whole note for this measure. 4 quarter notes that make the whole note. So only the whole note can be here. On this measure, we have 2 quarter notes, half note, and 2 quarter notes. 2 quarter notes equals 1 half note. So if you think about that, that'd be 2 quarter notes and 2 quarter notes. That equals to 4 fourth notes. So when you look at the measure and you look at the time signature, you have to look and see, okay. You have to look and see, okay, there's only so much space for the notes to take up. So that is the basic elements of rhythm. And I will have a video out soon elaborating more on rhythm and notation. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.